Hello everyone, I am Nagaraj. Today we will talk about the famous ancient Trikuteshwar temple which is located in Gadag city, Karnataka state in India. Let's begin. Trikuteshwar temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. It is dedicated to Shiva and has three lingas mounted on the same stone. There is a shrine dedicated to Saraswati in this temple and it has carved columns. This temple architecture was planned by the architect Amarashilpi Jakanacharya. The Badami Chalukyas were exponents of early architectural achievements in Deccan. Aihole, Badami, and Pattadkal were their centers of art. They were succeeded by the Rashtrakutas and the Kalyani Chalukyas. The temple has ornate pillars with intricate sculpture. The sanctum enshrines three Shivalinga. The temple has chiseled stone screens and carved figurines. There is a shrine to Saraswati within the Trikuteshwara temple complex with exquisite stone columns. Inclined slabs that serve as a balcony seats are decorated with figurative panels and are overhung by steeply angled eaves. Inside the hall, the columns have figures arranged in shallow niches. The east sanctum has three lingas representing Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. The one to the south is dedicated to the goddess Saraswati. Just by the side is another temple dedicated to three Devis Saraswati, Gayatri, and Sharada. Only the statues are in new style, the temple is in old architecture. Near beside this temple, there are other temples which are Omkareshwar temple, Surya Narayan temple, and Ashtabhuja Ganapati temple. The temple dates back to the Kalyani Chalukyas who ruled this region from around 1050 to 1200 CE, during which time about 50 temples were built. Saraswati temple has been vandalized in early age and hence puja is not offered here, but the architecture exists. A number of late Chalukya monuments 11th to 12th centuries in the city indicate its historic past. Other temples in Gadag are those dedicated to Someshwara and Veeranarayana temple. In the middle of the city stands the Someshwara temple, though abandoned now in dilapidated state. Its intricate carvings are preserved. The doorways to the hall have densely carved figures and foliation. The temple bears rich evidence of the majesty of Chalukya architecture. This temple architecture was planned by the great architect Jakanachari. The Badami Chalukyas were exponents of early architectural achievements in Deccan. Trikuteshwara temple, a popular Saivita temple, is in the town of Gadag in northern Karnataka. A unique site in this temple is in the three Shivalingas mounted on a single stone. On the eastern side of this temple are three lingas representing Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva. Trikuteshwara temple is mostly referred to as temple complex as there are other temples inside it as any other ancient temple built during Chalukya dynasty. Trikuteshwara temple is also known for carved figurines and chiseled stone walls. These falls among the 50 temples founded by Kalyani Chalukyas. Trikuteshwara temple is Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. The carved temples in the town of Gadag 50 km southeast of Hubli Dharwad in Karnataka, India. So this was all about ancient Hindu temple in India and in Karnataka and that too in Gadag district. So this was the history of the temple and thank you so much. So please like, share and subscribe my channel